Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World. Today we got a bad watch face for you all to check out. Now this one is going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, and you can also get this off the Facer app. Now listen, I need for you all to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you would like to see me do more watch faces by Facer. Alright? Hit me in the comment section down below. Alright, with that being said, let's kick off this review. Now the name of the watch face is called Event Horizon. It's by a developer that goes by the name of Lazarus. Now I like this look, I like the design of this watch face, and I'm loving the animation. Kind of changes up the watch face a little bit. Now I thought the developer did a really good job on this watch face. Very simplistic. You don't have no interactiveness with this watch face, but it's definitely a good look. Now I like the stacked digital time. I like the uniqueness of the font with this stacked digital time as well. At the top you will get your date information. Over to the right you will get your month and the day of the week, and you're also going to get your battery percentage over to the right, and down at the bottom you will get what the weather is outside. Now I like this look, I do like the design, I do like the simplicity. I think it's worthy of a download. Now it is free in the Gear Manager store and also on the Facer app. Again, don't forget, hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts on whether you would like for me to do more videos on Facer watch faces. With that being said, all right, you guys go ahead, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all at the next video. But don't forget, hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.